Hey traders, good evening. So today is 31st October 2018. So now is local time is 9:12 p.m. It's night time in Asia. So it's early morning in USA and also already afternoon in Euro. So this is live trading for crude like December contract. So crude oil futures. So at this moment I'm shorting one short position at uh, sorry at 66.37. So this indicate here you can find is a small triangle here. This is my entry. So the price already break the nearest low, then I'm expecting the price to move to my direction. My TP is targeted at 65.86. So this is where I will exit the market. Hopefully the price will not reverse back. At this moment we are in the good situation, 230 in profit. So it means around 23 ticks from my entry point. So everything's fine. So this is my second entry today. You can find my other entry around 30 ticks profit in other video. So let's see about the volume. So the volume is not much to kick in at this moment. So maybe it's still too early in US market. So now it's 8:30, maybe at 9 a.m. in the morning Chicago time. So they will come in. But in New York time, if I'm not mistaken, already 9 a.m. in the morning. Unresponsive again. So pardon me. Excuse me for this kind of problem. I guess I had to change my laptop because the graphic card is not really support when there is a large volume involved in the market. It's very hard to run a few platform and also the charting platform web-based from TradingView as well. So the price still jangling around. So okay, this is let's see here. This is my TP area. 65.86, sorry, 65.86. This is my entry, 63.37. So this is the nearest low. Then it already passed and break the low and hopefully to reach here. Okay, now we have seen a big jump to the downside. So it's quite interesting when you can catch everything's live while recording. So for those traders, this is a good video perhaps. So far my trading signal giving me a short sell position at here 637. So it's quite safe for me to enter. So I have entered the market. So at this moment waiting for a profit, maybe around 510, which is around 51 ticks of price movement. Okay, let's see. So now we are profiting around 270 for one lot. It looks really interesting. So by the way, this is a 10-minute chance. Let's see. Okay, we can see here there's a large volume queuing at 66.02 and 66.00, 100 and 190. So perhaps for sure market price will go here, but only will it reverse? So this is quite a scary situation actually, because I want it to be at 65.86. And also here you can see 65.82. There is also a large volume waiting on the buying side, and 65.80 also waiting to buy 115 and 129. These two price level is quite high in the volume. Also for this one 66.02. So let's hope the price will not reverse once it touch to this price level, and hopefully more seller on this area so the market can push further down. So we can see yesterday got a new low if I'm not mistaken. So let me change to the 1 hour time frame. Okay. Now my page is quite heavy at this moment. Okay, this is quite a typical problem I'm having, especially when US market session, because there's a large volume, large data feed, and the market move is quite fast. And my laptop didn't really support the situation. Okay, unresponsive. Let's wait. Hopefully everything's back to normal. Is it because I'm changing to sleep? Can I change it back? Okay guys, I will pause this video. I will log in with my mobile. Hopefully the price will not reverse back. So once I get more response, I will do live, continue my live video. So I will pause it and continue later on. Thank you. Okay guys, we resume back again. So now my platform back to normal. So at this moment we are 310 in profit, 300 around that area. So still large volume waiting at 6600. Okay, this quite interesting because there's also one more before already reduced. Okay, let's wait and see because my TP is somewhere here. It's not far, not far. So it should be around 14 or 15 ticks. Hopefully can reach there without any problem and any obstruction. So I'm happy if the price can spike down and it can make all life much more easier. Hopefully for the seller. So I draw again. This is my entry. This is the nearest low. It break through the nearest low. Then this is my TP target. Hopefully it will reach there with 51 ticks in profit. So around in dollar US, 510 US dollar in profit. Let's wait and see. Maybe it will take maybe around 20 minutes. I have to do something. I will pause this video and come back to you live again. Okay, all right. Okay guys, resume back again. So now is the price is at 65.97, so another around 11 ticks to my destination. So at this moment the cumulative the total PNL for this trade is 410 for one lot. Okay, now it's jumped to 420. So let's pray the price will go faster. It's not far. It's around 7 ticks. Sorry, not 7. It's around now. Wow, 8, 9, 10. It's almost there. It's almost there. So let's wait patiently. Hopefully the price will not reverse back. If reverse back, then I have to exit immediately. So this is sell. I have to buy on the market. So as usual. So let me clear something. My stop loss, I clear it first. 48. So I can exit from the market. Now this is what I don't like. It didn't go down, but then suddenly turn up very fast. Now back to 330. The nearest low is 65.92. So 6 ticks from my targeted area. So if 65.92, so I'm entry at 37, so around 40, 45. Yeah, 450 US dollar in profit. So 45 ticks. So at this moment it's 33. So let's hope the price go back down. I mean, it will take some time. So now my page is platform is unresponsive again. I will pause this video. We'll continue later. Hi guys, we resume back again. So my platform back to normal. So the price did try to make some move to the downside. So 67. Maybe I will liquidate at around 46. 46 should be good. So I will change my queue for TP to I think 91. Oh, now 92. I put 91. Then should be no, not trigger yet. So now it's 93, 90, 92. Almost there. We're almost there. Okay, I'm out. So 91 the exit point. So my entry is 37. 37 plus 9 is 46, so 460 US dollar in profit, around 46 ticks. So in total, you can see, I'll reiterate again, this is my entry, this is my TP. So it was a quick one. I entered the market at 8, around 8 local time. So now it's 9:35, so 1 hour and a half. It's quite good. It was a good trade. So thanks to my trading setup, it provided me a good selling setup just now, and yeah, now I can live happily. So thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel and subscribe and like this video. Subscribe and this channel and like this video, for I will upload more video in future. So thank you. Bye bye.